Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on sharing your dashboard and collaborating with other users in Bold BI. Once you've created your dashboard, you can share it with your colleagues to enable easy collaboration and faster decision making. You can share a dashboard from the homepage by clicking the share icon available in the dashboard. Doing so will display the share dialog. You can mark your dashboard as public or private here. Private dashboards are accessible to registered users in Bold BI who have appropriate permissions. Public dashboards are accessible to anonymous users who have the dashboard link. You can share this dashboard link directly to let others view the dashboard, and you can embed the dashboard into any web application using the Get Embed Code option. Next, you can share this dashboard to users in groups. Let's see how to add users and groups in Bold BI. Click the Users option in the left-hand navigation bar, where the dashboard application provides administrative tools to manage users and groups. You can add users manually or import them from CSV files, databases, or your Active Directory. Let me add the user manually and click Add. You can manage permissions for a user by clicking Manage Permissions. Here, you can add permissions with the access modes. Similarly, you can create groups for specific sets of users under the Groups tab and share the dashboard with them. Let me share the dashboard with the user that I've added. Choose the access mode and click Share. Now, the dashboard has been shared with the user, and they have been notified through email. You can view or manage access to this dashboard using the Manage Access option. Let me open the dashboard now. You can also share the dashboard from this published view using the Share option available in the title bar. Now let's see how to initiate discussions through the rich commenting system in Bold BI. To post a new comment, click the comment icon and type your comments. You can mention specific users in your comments to discuss the progress towards your goal and other business information in the dashboard. Also, you have the option to reply to, edit, or delete comments. Using these features, you can collaborate with other users who have access to the dashboard. Bold BI dashboards notify the people involved in the dashboard when the new comments are posted, and notify users mentioned in the comments. Notifications are sent through email with the comment details, the user who posted the comment, and the URL to the dashboard that was commented on. The dashboard application also lets you read pending notifications. To do this, select the notification icon at the bottom. In this video, we took a quick look at sharing dashboards and collaborating on them with your colleagues to help you make business decisions quickly. Thanks for watching.